Okay? Yan po yung tower diagram ng blood deficiency. Tingnan niyo pong mabuti. So, blood is fluid and nutrition. So, it is nourished by the spleen through food and drink and by the lung through breathing. So, yung kidney make bone marrow which makes blood without all this nutrition, and the heart synthesizes the red blood, putting all the different nutrients together. So, yun po yung composure ng blood. The liver stores and releases blood, and when there is blood deficiency because of any reason, for example, the blood stored by the liver is also decreased, okay? The term blood deficiency in TCM does not mean that the patient has a low hemoglobin count, okay? But iron, both in food and as a supplement, does help in the treatment, okay? So here, the symptoms and treatment. Symptoms of blood deficiency: paleness, coldness, dizziness, okay? Always tired, weakness, and poor sleep. Easily sleeping arms and legs, numbness or pins, yan. And needles improve with activity. Okay. Numbness as an aura before headache after menstruation or stress, weak muscles and tendons, poor endurance, pain with overuse, little and scanty menstrual bleeding with long cycles, depression, and anxiety. So yung treatment, mostly common are heart and liver blood deficiency. So pag merong ganyan, blood building points yung gagamitin natin. REN 14, bladder 15, spleen 10, heart 9, SI3, GB39, okay? So eat sweet foods, grains, potato, and proteins. Use milk foods in moderation. Use thick soups, chicken soup. Use overcooked foods. So to digest easily, red, yellow, and orange colors yung kakainin din, okay? Yun pa yung mga advice. So blood deficiency can cause imbalances in yin, yang, or qi. Okay. Tingnan nyo po yung tower diagram. This is the blood deficiency. Number 1, the functional energy may decrease. Okay. Blood deficiency can cause dryness. Number 3, it may cause interior winterize. And number 4, it may cause cold. Okay. Yan po yung causes ng blood deficiency.